Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is fennel leaf and pork dumplings, which have a long history in the Beijing area of China. Fennel leaf is a vegetable and a spice. From the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine, fennel is hot in nature, warming yang and dispersing cold, and can strengthen the spleen and appetite. Fennel leaves have a special aroma. When combined with pork, they can not only mask the fishy smell of meat, but also enhance the taste of dumplings. Fennel leaf and pork dumplings are often served on tables during traditional Chinese festivals such as the winter solstice or spring festival. Let's get started. Prepare 100 grams of fennel leaves, wash, remove the roots, chopped. Look at the seasonings: 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/2 teaspoon of 5-spice powder, 1 bowl of ginger and scallion water. How to make ginger and scallion water. Mix ginger slices, scallion sections with hot water in a bowl, then cool to room temperature. 450 grams of pork filling. The fat-to-lean ratio is usually 2:8, or the ratio you like. Add chopped fennel leaves to the minced pork, stir with chopsticks, then add oil, light soy sauce, salt, 5-spice powder, add the scallion and ginger water in batches. The addition of oil and scallion and ginger water will make the meat filling more moist. Keep stirring with chopsticks until evenly mixed. The dough is ready. Make it into cylindrical shapes. Cut them into small discs. Flatten them with your hands. Use a rolling pin to roll out the dumpling wrappers. Just like this. Start making dumplings. Put the filling on one wrapper and pinch the edges. Use your hands to secure the edges once more. The dumplings are ready. I have a special video showing how to make dumplings. You can watch it and learn. First, make 20 dumplings. Heat a pot of water, bring to a boil, add the dumplings. Boil until cooked through. When you see the belly of the dumplings bulging and floating on top, it means the dumplings are cooked. Transfer to a plate. For the sauce that serves with dumplings, I like the combination of vinegar, minced garlic and sesame oil. You can choose sauce according to your preference, such as chili oil or tomato sauce. If you like today's fennel leaf and pork dumplings, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.